Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Healthy Lifestyle PLR Package. Just before we jump in, this is an honest review video. It's trying to make you guys aware of new products as well as helping you to hopefully avoid some bad ones and find some good ones. So this is not a paid promotion. This is not a hype video. By way of full disclosure, there will be a link to the sales page that we're looking at in the video description. And if you choose to purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. I like commissions. It's a nice way to say thanks if you think it's a good product. But again, my goal is to try to give you as much information and insight as I can so that you can find good products so that you can establish your own path to an online income. So with all that said, this is Healthy Lifestyle PLR Package. If you don't know what PLR is, it stands for Private Label Rights. Someday I think I might get bored and do a video on just different types of PLR content. For all intents and purposes, what it means here is you're looking at digital content that someone else has created that you purchase and you can then use yourself. You can sell it. You can read it or watch it or whatever, but you can post it up on your website and you can sell the content. Okay, so we're going to take a look at what this is, what you're going to get, and we'll talk a little bit on the way about what kind of a niche this is in. So here's what you're getting. This is the basics, training guide, cheat sheet, map. We're going to actually see all this a little bit further down. This is selling you content in the self-help, mental health, trying to think of the word, motivational type niche, and that is a massive niche. That and probably health and fitness as a whole are probably the two biggest evergreen niches that you can target with a website or a product. It doesn't really matter what goes on in the world. There are always people, well, not even to say there are people, most people are struggling with something. So this is giving you a bit of an idea. We'll look at this in just a second. But most people are struggling with something, or they're looking for help, or they're looking for something to hold on to, or they're trying to straighten out issues in their own lives. And content like this is designed, ideally anyway, to help people with just those things. So this is a good actually example of how this PLR works. You keep all of the money. Okay, so the price on the front end of this, right now there actually is a sale on this. And we'll get to that at the end. But you can purchase this. The price will be $9. Right now I think it's floating at around $5. You purchase it and then everything you sell, you keep it. This isn't an affiliate sale where you get people to click on a link or people purchase a product and the vendor makes $5 and you make $5, or they make $12 and you make $12. If you sell the ebook for $15, you keep the whole $15. If you sell 10 ebooks for $15, you keep the whole $150. Okay, minus whatever commissions you have to pay to say PayPal or Amazon or whatever, but you keep all of the profits. You're not splitting with someone else. You're not sharing a product. You are purchasing it. And the idea is that you're going to rebrand it and sell it as your own. Okay, you can find affiliates to promote your product for a share of the spoils. You can do this. You can set up as many people as you want, or as are willing, I should say. And you can have people selling. You can have people promoting links to say your subscription service or your ebook, etc., etc. You'll be seen as an expert and an authority in your niche. The joy of PLR is that people who actually research and understand the issues are writing the PLR. You don't need to keep on top of reading 24 books a month in order to write your own content and then spend all of that time. If you're running, say, a subscription service, you can actually be purchasing this type of content from multiple PLR vendors and promoting it on your site. Okay, we'll look at this a little bit further down. You can build an empire of your own products, keep all of the customers. Right, this is perhaps the best thing right here, especially if you're looking to build an email list. And I always recommend you do try to build an email list. You are getting people for your subscription service. You're getting people on your email list. You're not sharing them as an affiliate. You're not finding other people's customers or building someone else's marketing empire. So here's the meat. By the way, I like the sales page because this is like an 8-second scroll down from the top, and we're actually seeing what we're getting. Okay, we're not getting a ton of hype. I expect to see some sales copy, but I want somebody to get to the point. So you're going to get a 10,000 plus word ebook. And this is training guide. So this is your primary product. This is what you are going to be, if you purchase the product, this is predominantly what you're going to be selling. Now, if you want to know, can I sell a 10,000 plus word ebook and training guide called Healthy Lifestyle, Have a Better Life on the internet today? Yes. I always recommend you guys do your own market research. Go to eBay, or not eBay. You can go to eBay too. Go to Amazon. Go to go on your Kindle. Just check up some of the statistical data on books like this. Even just put in healthy lifestyle. I'm sure you'll find a bunch of stuff. Find other things that covers. This is a massive niche. And if you're worried about it being written by somebody who's got a strong accent and learned English as their fourth language, I actually like this because it's written by a fluent native U.S. writer. I don't care if they're U.S. I don't care where you're from, but it is important that whoever's writing it be fluent in the English language. And was chosen based on industry expertise. So this means you're getting not just someone who knows ideally how to write, but also somebody who has some experience inside the industry. They've worked or they've studied or whatever in this field. Okay, so this is your primary product. You can sell the ebook, you can split it up, and you can use the chapters as individual articles on your website or in your emails. Or you can turn it into video content. You can read this as a script. You can make YouTube or Odyssey videos or whatever. You can turn it into a podcast if you want. You can do anything you want. Well, not quite. We'll look at the things you can't do, but you can sell this in any way that you want. Okay? And then it's also going to have a done for you funnel. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, well, just I'm not going to describe sales funnels right now. You can basically, it's what draws people in and gives you the opportunity for upsells, etc., etc. Module 2, we've got a cheat sheet. We've got a mind map. We've got a resource report. Now, what I like about the resource report is really for you. What I like about the cheat sheets and the mind maps is that they make really great giveaways. Okay, so typically the rule is that you can't sell the guide. You can't sell the ebook. Or sorry, you can't give away the ebook. Sorry, let me rephrase that. You can't give away the ebook, but you can sell it in multiple ways. You can give away the cheat sheet and the mind map. So a great way to market this stuff is if you've got an email list already, or if you're trying to build an email list, like you can make a promotional YouTube video, just for instance, and you can put up that you are giving away the cheat sheet for free. And all somebody has to do is they just have to go to your website, put in their email address, and get the cheat sheet for free. And then you send them an email. Now you've got their email, so they're on your list. You send them an email thanking them and sending them the cheat sheet, or however you're going to release that to them. And then if you want, you can send them a code or something that's going to give them a discount on the ebook. And again, you might sell the book for, you can sell it for 99 cents if you want. You can sell it for $50 if you want. People might not buy it for the $50, but again, that's up to you. Same thing with the mind map. Okay, it's a great giveaway. Or you can do both of these where you say, hey, buy now, get the healthy lifestyle ebook and get a free cheat sheet and mind map. Okay, these are things that people can put up on their walls or on their desk, and they help to focus on what they're trying to learn or what they're trying to understand or put into practice. The resource report is really giving you more resources that you can use. Okay, so this is good for you. You've got the sales letter and thank you page, sales promotional video, legal pages, graphics, and then we'll deal with this, and we'll deal with module 9 in a second. But what you're getting in here, this is the promotional and legal stuff you need to deal with your customers. So if you want to promote, when somebody buys, you want to be able to say thank you. This is already done for you. You can tweak it if you want, but the basics are already finished. The sales letter is already finished. Okay, there's already a sales video. So you know what? You don't need to go and make up your own video. You can just put the video up on YouTube. You can put it on whatever platform you want and go. The legal page is going to cover you, and it's going to cover the vendor that you're purchasing this from. Okay, it's all of the disclaimers that are important. Okay, and you're going to get it, the document HTML and CSS, so you can keep a copy of this. You want this stuff on your website someplace. I will say that you should probably never purchase a product from somebody who doesn't have legal pages on their own website or sales page. There should always be disclaimers somewhere. Somebody who's not doing that definitely is new and does not know what they're doing. Okay, you get 10 high quality and unique articles. This is great for you because again, this is bonus content. Each article is at least 500 words. These can be additional. These could be additional chapters that you can release as content for the ebook. You can add these on. These could be additional articles that you release, or again, newsletter type emails that you send out. Banners, kind of the same thing as the graphics. The license pack. This is the stuff that you need. This is what you're ultimately buying, is the license rights for the content. He's going to throw in a couple of bonuses. You've got a class on resale rights marketing and one on traffic. Now, you know what? And then another one on social media marketing. So those are going to be handy for you. Mistakes to avoid. This is more generic, I think. But you know what? Free stuff is free stuff, and it's not unrelated. Okay, and then just real quick, so here we see the price. Real world value, most PLR does not go for anything like $1,600. But if you were to hire someone to do it, you would probably be looking at least that. If you were to go onto a freelance website and hire somebody to write 10,000 plus words, put together a mind map, put together the graphics package, you'd probably be looking at substantially more than that, to be honest. And like I said, there actually is based on the JV page. We're just going to pop over here real quick. So this is the JV page on Warrior Plus, and we can see it's a $9.95 price, and it is listed right now for $4.95. I don't know if that's been a typo one way or the other, but what I do know is that $5 is a great price for almost anything along these lines. 30-day money-back guarantee. And a little bit on the guys that are releasing this. I'm going to leave you to look at the frequently asked questions yourself. Also, make sure you understand this part that's down at the very bottom of the page, what you can and cannot do. So there's not a lot you can't do. There are a few things, but there's not an awful lot. Okay, so Anyway, be aware of that. The responsibility for using the product appropriately and legally is ultimately up to you. Always make sure you do your market research. It's a big niche. It's, you know what, it's got a clean aesthetic to it. It looks professionally done. And I don't think you can go wrong with this one. I know it's not going to be for everybody, but if you're looking to get into or you're already involved in the sort of mental health, motivational, self-help content stuff, then I think this is a good option, a good opportunity for you guys to get into. Sorry, it's been a long day. So anyway, I'm going to give this one a thumbs up. Strongly recommend. Thanks for watching. Link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you guys back here again soon.